All right, good morning. Let's take a look at some of the stocks that are going to be moving today. Today is October 12th. Um, First one that we're going to look at is Plug. This has been on the radar for a little while. We've got a nice breakout on the daily candle. We have this buy indicator here. We've got congruency here, TSI, TSI. You can't get much better than that. And it looks like the MACD has been flat, but I think it's turning up. I mean, I see no indication that Plug is going to be dropping anytime soon. So I think you can probably comfortably take a new long position in Plug. The next stock is Amgen, AMGN, and look at this breakout here. You got really blue skies ahead of you here. We have pretty much all of the buy indicators strongly suggesting conviction and commitment. I think Amgen is going to continue. I don't see any indication that you cannot get into a long position on Amgen. And the next stock is Newmont Mining, NEM. I see a lot of indication of upward momentum here. However, it does look like we are running into some resistance here, and you can also see it on the 2-hour. So watch this. If it looks like it's going to continue up, I think you can get in and ride it for a few days. But it's looking good for Newmont Mining for a long position. And the next stock now is NVO. This is well above the moving averages. We have both buy indicators here, congruency here, all the way down. We've got all solid indication that NVO is strong. The only thing is it's reaching this area of resistance. So 99.5, you might see some resistance here. That's something to watch for. I wouldn't jump into this right away. I'd wait to see what's going to happen when it, is it going to get over this, or is it going to bounce off of it? That's the question for NVO. All right, let's take a look at SMCI. Now, it's been looking strong. It didn't do much yesterday. If you look at the 2-hour, it's really been flat now for 2 days straight. Yes, we have a lot of really good indication here, but the recent price action has been flat. So I would watch this. It kind of suggests like it could come down a little bit, maybe touch these moving averages curling up. And if it does that, then it might continue upwards. So I don't think I would get into this immediately because there's too much chance that this is going to pull back a little bit. Now the next stock is NTNX. Nice move yesterday, up 6%. I see very strong indication, lots of conviction here. We still have all of the indicators and markers. Congruency is pretty much everywhere. Nice slope on some of these indicators here. So definitely have NTNX on your short list. All right, we'll take a look at EA, Electronic Arts. This has been doing really well. Very strong move. It's above the moving averages. You can see it has some nice room to go before it gets up to some real resistance up here at about 138 area, and we're at about almost at 130. So we've got about 5 or 6, maybe 7% of room to go. We have both buy indicators here. We have congruency here. These indicators, the TSI, nice slope here, and then these three down here are all in agreement. So I see great possibility for a long position in EA right now. So I think we'll stop there. I try to cover about 6 or 8 stocks a day that look like we can get into them today. Hold for a few days, maybe a week or two, depending on how things go. And that's what we do here at Turnkey Trading. All right, I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.